Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, March 17, 2021. It is 9:13 and 16 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, plants history. So let's hop to it here. A plant's place in history can predict susceptibility to pathogens. Date March 8, 2021. Source, American Phytopathological Society. Summary. Found around the world, powdery mildew is a fungal disease, especially harmful to plants within the sunflower family. Like most invasive pathogens, powdery mildew is understudied, but learning how its effects host can help growers make more informed decisions and protect their crops. Scientists at the University of Washington and University of Central Florida inoculated 126 species of plants in the sunflower family with powdery mildew, growing 500 plants from seeds that were collected from the wild and provided from the USDA germplasm network. Through this large-scale study, they were able to measure the various plant susceptibility to powdery mildew. We observed that the amount of disease present on a host can be dependent on where that host lies on the tree of life. That is, the evolutionary history of a host can predict how susceptible that host is to disease. Researchers also measured common plant traits, such as biomass, trichome density, and chlorophyll content, and found that none of them are associated with the disease, underscoring the unimportance of commonly assessed host plant traits and powdery mildew severity, and pointing further to the role that evolutionary history plays in plant susceptibility to disease. Any tools we can use to predict the severity of a disease can be valuable in improved management guidelines, especially with fungal pathogens, where there is often a large lag time between the introduction of a pathogen and the formation of an epidemic. I am hopeful that this research could spur future work and provide ideas and techniques for other researchers studying the evolution of disease. This research provides information on species of sunflower plants that are resistant to powdery mildew disease, which can be beneficial to breeding programs. Researchers also hope that this study will inspire other studies that mine the genome of different plant species involved to potentially locate genes involved with resistance. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.